Preview of Profit and Loss Statement. The profit and loss account is a periodic statement which shows the net result of business operations for a specified period. All the expenses incurred and incomes earned during the reporting period are recorded here. The profit and loss account in Tally Prime displays information based on the default primary groups along with additionally created accounting groups. We can access profit and loss account statement in Gateway of Tally. Enter. Here we can see default format of profit and loss statement in Tally Prime. To change period, press F2. Select period. Here we can see profit and loss statement includes only opening stock value and closing stock value. Other groups like sales accounts, purchase accounts, direct expenses, indirect expenses, and indirect incomes are not having any balances, as we have not recorded any transaction in books of accounts. To view detailed format of profit and loss account, press Alt F5 Detailed. We can also access F12 Configure to configure information like show percentages, exclude accounts with zero closing balance, format of report, show vertical profit and loss account. We shall configure this option as yes. Display name for ledgers and groups. Show base currency as default. Enter to accept. Here we can see vertical format of profit and loss statement in Tally Prime. To reconfigure horizontal format of profit and loss statement, we can access F12 Configure again and set Show vertical profit and loss account to No. Along with that, in vertical format of profit and loss statement, we can enable or disable gross profit report. If it is to be displayed under profit and loss statement, then we shall enable this information. Enter, enter, and accept. In F12 configuration, if we disable information of show gross profit, then format of profit and loss statement will change and we won't be able to see gross profit report in Tally. So this way, in Tally Prime, we can access profit and loss statement and configure vertical and horizontal format of profit and loss statement. Additional buttons available on button panel. We will learn about these buttons under chapter of Advanced Reporting. Press Escape to come out. Preview of trial balance with master opening. A trial balance is a summary of all ledger balances and helps in checking whether the transactions are correct and balanced. If journal entries are error-free and posted correctly to the journal ledger, the total of all debit balances should be equal to the total of all credit balances. To access Trial Balance Report in Tally Prime, we should navigate Display More Reports option under Reports menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Trial Balance under Accounting menu option. Here we can see Group-wise Trial Balance Report. To view Group-wise, Ledger-wise detailed format of Trial Balance, press Alt F5 Detailed. Here we can see Group-wise, Ledger-wise Trial Balance Report. To view only Ledger-wise Trial Balance Report, press F5. To change period, press F2. Select period as April. Press F12 Configure to configure view of trial balance. We can configure trial balance with available options. For example, if we wish to view opening balances, then set Show Opening Balance to Yes, Show Transactions, Yes, rest of the information as default, enter and accept. So here we can see all the ledgers are having opening balances. Ledgers are not having debit and credit balances as we have not recorded any transactions in books of accounts. Additional buttons available under button panel. We will access and learn about these buttons under chapter of advanced reporting. Press Escape to come out. So in this way, we can access trial balance report in Tally Prime, which includes closing balances of ledger. Trial balance does not include closing balance of profit and loss accounts and stock in hand ledger. Treatment of opening balance difference. In a books of accounts, opening balances are closing balance of previous financial year. While creating accounting ledgers and stock items in Tally Prime, users can define opening balances of those particular masters. Difference in opening balance arise due to differences between total of assets value and liabilities value. Difference in opening balances can be verified under balance sheet reports on Gateway of Tally. Here we can see difference in opening balances. Difference in opening balance may appear either liabilities side or asset side. The same value can be verified from trial balance report as well. Go to Display More Reports, Trial Balance. Here we can see difference in opening balance as well. Difference in opening balances is the difference between total value of assets and liabilities. The treatment of difference in opening balances completely depends upon financial statement of previous financial year. Here we can see difference in opening balance lying under liabilities side. It means balances under liabilities are not updated correctly. The balance may belong to capital account, loans and liabilities account, current liabilities, or opening balance of profit and loss account. Let us resolve difference in opening balance amount by transferring the balance under profit and loss account and capital account. For example, if out of 10,89,100 rupees, 89,100 rupees belong to profit and loss account opening balance and rest of the amount from capital account, then we can transfer the balances to respective ledger accounts. Let's come back to Gateway of Tally. Go to Masters menu. Under Alter option, Ledger, select Profit and Loss account. Under Opening Balance, here we can see 5,000 rupees is already predefined. We can add 89,100 rupees to this 5,000, which becomes 94,100. Enter and accept. Now balance of 10 lakh rupees we need to transfer under capital account. Capital ledger is not created. Hence, we will create capital account ledger. From Gateway of Tally, create option. Select ledger. Enter ledger name as capital account. Group under capital account. Here we can enter the opening balance of 10 lakh rupees. On top right of ledger creation page, we can see a total difference between opening balances. Debit side opening balance as 12,39,850 and on credit side 2,39,850. Let's enter opening balance as 10 lakh. Enter as credit balance. Now we can see total opening balance tallied. Debit balance is equal to credit balance. Enter and accept. We can verify the balance sheet report on Gateway of Tally. To access balance sheet report, using shortcut key, we can press B. Here, we can directly navigate to balance sheet report. Now, difference between opening balances is nil. Similarly, we can verify difference in opening balances in trial balance as well. Use Go to Report option from Balance Sheet Report. Type Trial Balance. Enter. Here we can see difference in opening balance detail is disappeared.